Hey there, car lovers. Welcome back to Car Master Tips, your ultimate destination for clever car hacks, pro driving advice, and secrets you won't hear at the dealership. Today, we're diving into the top hidden car features that most drivers have, but don't even know exist. Yes, you probably have some of these features right now and you're not using them. These hidden functions can save you money, boost your comfort, enhance safety, and even make you feel like your car just leveled up. Some of them feel like luxury features that we're hiding in plain sight. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever drove without knowing these. Chapter 1 Fuel Door Location Indicator. Let's start with something incredibly simple, but most drivers don't even notice until it's too late. Have you ever pulled into a gas station, only to forget which side your fuel door is on? Well, there's a tiny triangle or arrow right next to your gas icon on the dashboard. That arrow points to the side your fuel cap is on. It's such a small detail, but it saves you from awkwardly pulling up to the wrong side of the pump, especially in rental cars or when driving someone else's vehicle. Check your dash right now. You'll thank me. Chapter 2 Auto Window Hold and Roll Down. Most modern cars have a hidden window trick. Hold down your unlock button on the key fob for a few seconds, and boom! All windows roll down automatically, perfect for letting out heat on a hot summer day before you even get in the car. On some models, holding the lock button rolls all windows up too. A great backup if you forget to close them. Try it with your key fob today. It works on more cars than you'd think. Chapter 3 Sun Visor Extension or Side Slide. Here's one that's hidden in plain sight, most toward the door. Some cars even have a secondary mini visor that flips down from behind the main one. You'll never squint on those late afternoon drives again. Chapter 4 Hidden Key inside your key fob. Got a push to start car? Bet you didn't know there's often a hidden physical key inside your key fob. Slide the release tab, and a metal key pops out. This is super useful if your keyless entry system dies, your battery runs out, or you're locked out. Even better? Some cars also have a hidden key slot on the driver's door handle. You just have to look for it under a plastic cap. Chapter 5 Secret Rearview Mirror Modes. Ever been blinded by headlights behind you? Most manual rearview mirrors have a tiny flipping tab at the bottom that changes the mirror's angle and dims the glare. But newer models often have auto-dimming mirrors, and some even let you manually adjust the sensitivity in the settings menu. Some high-end models also auto-dim side mirrors, so check your settings. Chapter 6 The Hidden Trunk Release Trick. Locked out of your trunk? Don't panic. On many sedans, there's a hidden trunk release inside the cabin, usually in the glove box or as a toggle near the driver's seat. But some cars even have a glow-in-the-dark emergency handle inside the trunk. Also, on certain models, if your battery dies, you can manually unlock the trunk with your key, even if the central system is down. Chapter 7 Climate Control. Max AC shortcut. Need to cool your car fast? Instead of adjusting the fan speed and temp yourself, just hit the Max AC button. This automatically closes the recirculation flap, boosts fan speed, and cools your cabin way faster. Pro tip: it works best if you've rolled down the windows for 30 seconds before pressing it. Chapter 8 The Tap to Lock or Passive Lock feature. Some cars let you lock your doors just by touching the handle once the key is nearby. This is called passive locking or tap to lock. It's super convenient when your hands are full, no fumbling for the key fob. Check your owner's manual or infotainment settings. This feature is often turned off by default but can be enabled easily. Chapter 9 Auto Hold, aka Hill Hold Assist. Tired of keeping your foot on the brake in traffic? If your car has auto hold, it will automatically keep the brakes applied after a full stop, even if you lift your foot. Great for stop-and-go traffic or waiting at a red light. It also helps on hills, no more rollback. Usually found near the parking brake button or in the driving assist menu. Chapter 10 Folding Side Mirrors via key fob. Worried about someone bumping your side mirrors in a parking lot? Hold down the lock button on your key fob. On many cars, that automatically folds in the side mirrors. Some cars do it automatically when you lock them. Others need the feature turned on in settings. Super useful in tight spaces or when parallel parking on a busy street. Chapter 11 Secret Menu Access via Dashboard. Here's something for tech-savvy drivers. Many cars have diagnostic or secret menus that you can access by holding certain buttons on your dash or infotainment screen. For example, holding down the trip reset while turning the key to on can bring up hidden test menus, like digital speed readouts, sensor tests, and more. Google your car's make plus secret menu. It'll blow your mind. Chapter 12 Auto Wiper Sensitivity Settings. Got automatic wipers but feel like they don't work right? Most cars allow you to adjust the sensitivity of rain-sensing wipers, but people don't realize it. There's usually a rotary dial on the wiper's stock to control how much rain is needed to trigger the wipers. Set it once, and you won't have to mess with it again. Chapter 13 Speed-Sensitive Volume Control. Love listening to music while driving? Your car might automatically raise the audio volume as you drive faster, so wind and road noise don't drown out the sound. This is called speed volume compensation, or GALA, in BMWs, and it's hidden deep in the audio settings. Once activated, it keeps your sound consistent no matter how fast you're going. Chapter 14 Hidden Cabin Air Filter 1500-1600. Did you know your car has a cabin air filter? Not just an engine filter? It filters out dust, pollen, and pollution from the air you breathe inside the car. But many people don't even know it exists, let alone replace it. It's usually located behind the glove box or under the dashboard. Replacing it takes just 5 minutes and makes a huge difference in air quality, especially if you suffer from allergies. Chapter 15 Secret Storage Compartments. Many vehicles have hidden storage spaces you've probably overlooked. Under the passenger seat, behind rear cup holders, under the floor mats in the back, and even under the rear seats in some trucks and SUVs. Perfect for storing emergency kits, tools, or valuables when traveling. Check your car thoroughly. There's probably a secret pocket waiting to be found. Chapter 16 Rear Wiper. Hidden Spray. Some hatchbacks and SUVs have a hidden nozzle for spraying washer fluid onto the rear windshield, built right into the wiper arm. If your rear window gets dirty and you don't see any nozzle, look closely at the wiper itself. Many drivers don't even realize their car has rear washer functionality. Use your stock to test it, and enjoy a cleaner rear view. Chapter 17 Auto Relock Feature. Ever unlock your car and then forget to get in? Most modern vehicles have an auto relock feature. If you unlock the doors but don't open any within 30 to 60 seconds, it automatically relocks all the doors. This protects you from accidentally leaving your car unlocked in a parking lot. It's a smart little feature, often customizable in your settings. Chapter 18 Lane Change Signal Trick. Here's a small but useful one. Car. Instead of fully engaging your turn signal for a quick lane change, lightly tap the turn signal stock. Most modern cars will blink 3 times and then turn off automatically. It's faster, safer, and helps communicate your intentions without fumbling with the lever. Great for highway driving. Chapter 19 Tire Pressure Monitoring Reset. Have you ever seen the TPMS warning light stay on even after inflating your tires? Wrench. You may need to manually reset your tire pressure monitoring system. Some cars have a reset button under the steering wheel or in the infotainment menu. Also, make sure to check the spare tire. It's often included in the system. Chapter 20 Hidden Valet Mode. Last but not least, Valet Mode. This feature limits access to your infotainment system, personal data, and sometimes even engine performance. Perfect when giving your car to a valet or mechanic. It's usually buried in the security settings of your infotainment system. Some cars require a PIN to activate and deactivate it. If you've never checked it out, you should. It's a hidden gem for privacy and protection. Light bulb bonus tip. Optional, ambient light customization. Some vehicles let you customize interior ambient lighting. Not just the brightness, but the color and zones too. Check your infotainment system. You might be able to set the mood like you're in a spaceship. Oncoming car. Now you have 20 hidden features that most drivers overlook, but once you learn them, you'll never drive the same again.